Good morning students. In this video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 application. Previous class we were discussed about what is Microsoft Visual Basic and what are the features in Visual Basic 6.0. In this video, I'm going to work with Visual Basic 6.0 application, how to adding controls and creating simple projects in Visual Basic 6.0. You have to install Visual Basic 6.0 application in your system. Once you have installed, you have to click the start button. You can see the list of programs installed in your system. Here you have to just expand your applications. Here you have to find Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0 and then you have to click 6.0 VB. Here you have to click this icon. Visual Basic 6.0 application is opening. When you open Visual Basic 6.0 application, this is the first window. You can see here a new project and three tabs are there: new, existing, recent. You are going to create a new project. You have to click this new, or already you have created some projects you have stored in your system. You can go for here and you have to choose the location file where you stored in your system. Click on that and select the path. You can open your previous applications. Okay, recent, you are working with some applications in VB. You can see the name of the file in recent under the recent tab. Here I am going to create new application. Here you can see more icons are there: standard exe, activex exe, activex dll. So I will explain what is these icons later. You have to click standard exe. Just select that icon and click open. This is the primary work area. We are going to design Visual Basic 6.0 application. Already we discussed what is form, what is toolbox, what is main menu, and project explorer window, properties window, form light window. First two chapters I have explained about the screen interface, getting started, and what are the menus and features available in Visual Basic 6.0. We are going to discuss chapter 3, creating and adding controls in Visual Basic. This is the form. You can see the name of the form. You can see here. Okay, here you are going to add your controls. I want to give short note about software applications. Software application, it is used to reduce your work. It can be any task. Example, we are purchasing some products in supermarkets. Once you completed the shopping, you're going to make your payment in front of bill counter. When you hand over your products to make a payment, the bill counter people entering the details of product in their system. When they're entering the details of product in system, you can see them some menus are there. They are clicking over the menu. When you click some buttons, it will show the price of the products and details of the products. They are entering all the product details in that system. Just to calculate the total bill amount, the system will show all the details of the your purchase of product details and total bill amounts. This is the software. You can see some controls objects are there. So here we are going to create software like that. This is the form. You're going to add your controls using the toolbox, and file, we have a more options are there. I will explain one by one. This is the primary work area. You're going to design your Visual Basic 6.0 application. This is the toolbox. Already explained that this is the pointer tool. This is the Picture box, you want to add pictures in your project, you can just click that tool, drag here and place the control on form. The picture box tool will come to your form. You can add pictures here. And this is the label control. Just click on that tool, drag your mouse to form area and place on the form. You can see the label button in your form. You want to change its name, just click that label and go to properties window, and here you have to see the caption property and remove the label one, number one. As per your requirement, you can change its label name. Just I have entered a number. Okay, so this is the way you have to add the controls in Visual Basic. This is the label, and this is the text box. Text box, just click the tool and drag over the form and click on that form. Text box will come to your form. So this is the way you have to add your controls objects in your form. As per requirement, you have to design your front-end application of software applications. So I have added three more controls in my form: label, picture box and text box. You want to add option button, you can add it here. You want to add checkbox, you can add it here. So as per requirement, you can add these controls here and you can change its properties. Just click that tool, click that object. You can see its properties. You can change here its a name. You can just, you want to delete the text, you can delete it here. You want to change its a property of styles, appearance, you can go for appearance, flat, just click it and flat, it will be so in flat formats. Border style, you want to change its border style, just click on border style property, click on that none. Okay, so as per your requirement, you can change its properties and you can set a data value of its field, how much value it will occupy. You can set it here. Date formats, you want to entering dates here, you can set your dates types and other data type formats here. You can go for this one. And next property, so you can see more properties here, I will see later. This is the command button, you have to click that command button and drag here and it will come to your form. Command button is action button. When you click a command button, the system will give some results. Okay, so this is the way you have to add controls in Visual Basic form. Okay, now I'm going to create a simple program in Visual Basic. I will teach you how to create a simple programs in Visual Basic. So you system will ask, you want to save changes the following files? No. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project, file, new project, and then click standard exe. This is my primary work area form. We want to change its background of this form. Go to form properties. This is the properties window. You can see the form 1 form properties, and you want to change its name. You can change here addition okay, addition form. So I have changed its a form name. I'm going to create a simple program adding two numbers. So I have mentioned related name for addition, and then you want to change its form properties. You can change the background color, back color, and click that back color property, change it, system, the palettes. You want to give any color, the system will change your form color. So, and then you want to change other properties of your form. Fill color, you can go for fill color. can select your color wish. You can, as you wish, you can change it here for color. So system, so as per your wish, you can change the form, background color and other properties. Okay. I'm going to create a simple program in VB adding two numbers. The logic of this program is I'm going to enter two numbers in system. The system will give result of addition of two numbers. Okay. The logic of this program is we need two input numbers. We have to get two integer numbers, and I'm going to create some I'm going to click some buttons in VB. The system has to produce some results. This is the logic of this program. Addition, we know the operator for addition program is arithmetic operators and two integer numbers. Okay, so I need two labels for this program. Just click label from toolbox and place in your form. Take one more label, click that label and place here. And the text box, we are going to get values from keyboard, so I have to create text box to text box. Click the text box and place in your form. So here I'm going to enter two numbers, number 1, number 2. Okay, so I want to change the label name. Click on that label name and you have to go label 1 properties and change its name as number 1. Just change the caption name of label control number number 1. Number 1 and label 2 number 2. Change its name number 2. Text box, I want to clear the text box. When you execute this program, it has to show empty, so I want to remove this text box name. Okay, so I will run this program. This is the runtime of screen when you execute your program. Here I have my logic is I want to add two numbers, so we are going to enter two numbers here, 45 and 67, and I want to get a result of addition of these two numbers. I need some buttons here. Okay, I want to click some buttons. The system has to produce some results, and I want to see the results in one more text box. So I have to create one more tools in my form. Again I want to take one label for result, showing results, displaying results. I want to take one more text box and action button. I will click some buttons. The system has to show some results. Command button is an action button. When you click command button, it will give some results. So I'm going to change the command button name addition. Add. Okay, so I want to change label 3 caption addition, and I want to clear its text box caption. Okay, so I have completed my design of my application. My logic of program is addition of two numbers. I'm going to enter two numbers in runtime. The system will give results of the two numbers. Okay, just maximize it. So this is the simple Visual Basic program, addition of two numbers, number 1, number 2 addition. I'm going to enter here 45, any two numbers 67, and I will click add. When you click add command button, the system has to produce some results here. Okay, so addition, the system will produce the addition of these two numbers here. So for that we have to write a basic programming code. Okay, so first you have to understand here, you have to complete design of your application. For any software application, you're going to first you have to complete your design part, and then you have to write the programming parts. Okay, so understand this. I have created one simple form and I have added some controls in my form as per my requirements. Now I'm going to write programming part, how to uh, write simple basic programming for addition of two numbers. Just you have to click on this icon, just double click your mouse, you will get a coding window. This is the coding window in Visual Basic. Here you have to write your codings, basic codings here. Okay, so this is the you can see what are the objects, what are the controls placed in a form. You can see the name of the controls here. So we have placed label 1, label 2, label 3 labels, and 3 text boxes and one command button. What are the objects available in a form, you can see here. And then you can select this tool name. Under the tool name you can write your programming. This is the click event driven programming options. Here you can see here, so we have more events are there. Mouse up, mouse down. When you can choose anyone. Okay, drag over. So you want to execute a program with some events. Example, mouse move. When you choose mouse move, when you move your mouse, you can get your results. This is the Visual Basic is 6.0 is event driven programming. Here you can set any events for your programming outputs. So just I have selected mouse move. Okay, you'll see what will happen. I'm going to write VB uh, Visual Basic program simple programming addition of two numbers, command 1. Here you have to write simple coding for addition of two numbers. Text 3 dot text is equal to value of value of text 1 dot text and operator value of the text 2 dot text. Yes, what is this statement? Text 3 dot text. We have placed 3 text boxes. I want to get result addition of two numbers in text 3 box. I will show the form. Just go to project explorer window, right click it, view object. You can see, so this is the text 1, text 2, text 3. I have start writing my coding here. Just go code window, text 3 dot text. Text 3 dot text is equal to the I am asking computer to do text 3 box value will be value of text 1 plus arithmetic operator value of text 2. I'm adding text 1 value and text 2 value, and I'm going to add these two values. I'm going to show in text 3 box. This is my logic part of this program, addition of two numbers. Value of is a syntax basic programming. When you get some values from text box, you have to use this syntax. Value of text 1 is a control we have placed in the form. Text 1 dot text is a syntax. Text 2 dot is a syntax. Okay, just change it. Text 2 dot text. Okay, so understand, text 3 dot text is equal to will be addition of this text 1 dot value and text 2 dot value. Okay, so I have completed the coding. Just go from your form, view object, number 1, number 2 and addition. Okay, result of this label shows the addition result of value text 1, text 2, text 3. This value will be addition of text 1, text 2, addition of this value, so will be displayed here. And I'm going to run my program. Number 1, 4, 6, and add button. Okay, the system will give result of addition of these two numbers. Okay, command button is action button. When you click command button, the system will produce the result of these two numbers. Just to close it. So same programming, you can write any event options. Key down. Okay, key down. Just to copy this code, copy it, Control X, and I paste it here. Control V. Execute program. Maximize the screen. 6, 8. I have written my coding under key down. Yes, you can just move your press any key in keyboard, you will get results. Visual Basic 6.0 is a event driven programming feature. You can write your coding under any events here. Okay, so we have created simple program in Visual Basic 6.0, addition of two numbers. This is the way you have to design your form and change its properties, background color, and other properties of that controls. This is the way you have to take controls tools from toolbox and place your form. Understand? Just try in your home PC. You will have some doubts, and send your doubts to my mail and WhatsApp number. I will give answer for your doubts. I want to wind up this session. So this video we discussed about how to use Visual Basic 6.0 application, and I have created a simple project in Visual Basic 6.0, addition of two numbers. We have created a simple form in VB, addition of two numbers, and we have written a simple basic programming coding for addition of two numbers. Okay, so I have explained this coding syntax. Text3.text is equal to value of is the what syntax. You have to use this function value of means we're getting value of text1 and value of text2, and adding these two values we are presenting text3 box. So this is the explanation of this coding, and this is the event driven programming feature in VB. You can set any events, key press, key down, key up. When you execute your program, you can set any event driven programming. Okay, I will explain and the other controls features in Visual Basic. Just close coding window, go to form window, object. You can see here, this is the file tab, edit, view, project, format, debug. I will explain it one by one. Okay, so once you have completed design part of your application, and then you have to go for your coding window. Here right click it and view code, you will get this coding window. In this area you are going to write your programming part of software applications. Okay, and select your control label 1. You want to add some codings under label 1 control, you can select it. Private sub label 1 click, this is the function, we can say it's a segment of a function. Okay, end sub, this is the general syntax in Visual Basic. Private sub label 1 under click event, you want to change this event, you can go for drag over, it will show drag over under this coding, drag over events. So like that you can change its events. Okay, so next thing, right click it, view object. You want to run your program, execute program. What is execution of program? Once we have completed design part and the coding part of the program, we have to execute our program, we have to get results. So execution means compilation. What is compilation? We are in asking system to compile the program and give results. Compilation is the process converting your programming code into machine level language, and system will check all the lines in programming one by one, and the compiler in Visual Basic compiler check the lines one by one. All the codings are written by as per the syntax of Visual Basic compiler, it will check one by one, and if there is no error, system will execute program, you will get your results. So you want to execute a program, you have to just click this play button, or you have to go run here, start or F5. Okay, you will get this window. This is the execute part of your programming. This is the output window. You can enter your values here, any value, and click over command button. You will get your results. Okay, I have changed the events, so I will not get results. So this is the way how to execute your program. Go run, click run button, start or press F5. You will get, just press F5, you will get execution of window of your programming. You can get your results. Okay, just to close it. This is the toolbox. And the file, you want to save your project or add more projects in your forms in your project, you can add it. Save your project, just to save your project, select the location of your hard disk, C drive or D drive. I am going to select here H drive addition. So the Visual Basic forms save with the extension of .frm. .frm is the form. Okay, just to save it. And if it will ask you want to create any project name for, yes, I have created one form here. You can see here I have created one form. Like that, if you are going to add in futures any other models, so you can save your project, any project name. I am going to save this project, add. Okay, just click save my project, add project source, yes. Okay, and cancel. Okay, so you can see here my project v.vbp, add project. My project name is add.vbb, is an extension of file name Visual Basic project, and I have one form in the project addition. So like that, in future you want to add more modules, subtraction, division, you can add more forms. Right click it, and here you can add it, add form. You can create a new form, you can add new form under your addition project. You can write a coding for subtraction or division or any other arithmetic operators, right? Like that, you can add your forms here. Save form, again you want to save form, save it. Remove your form, you want to remove this form, you can just right click it and remove your form, remove it. So this is the basic things we have to know in Visual Basic 6.0. Form layout window, I explained the form layout window. Just move the this form layout screen position this side. When you execute your program, you will get your output screen this side. So you can set your form screen positioning in output view. Just if I'm going to present, I want to place my form layout window here. I'm going to execute my program. I can see in center of the screen. Okay, so you're getting a small window when you execute a program. You want to maximize it, you have to change its properties. So here you have to open your form window, go objects, just maximize it, select a form and go to form properties. Here you can see border style, you can see the maximize and window state, here maximized. Okay, change its property as maximized. When you execute your program, you will see a big screen. Okay, so like that, you can change its properties in Visual Basic. So this is the chapter 3 in Visual Basic, creating and adding controls in Visual Basic. So next class we're going to see about animations in Visual Basic, how to add list box, how to add option buttons, and some how to apply some animations in Visual Basic project. I will teach you in my next class. So go through this video from start to end and work this program in your personal computer. And if you have any doubts, send to me my mail or WhatsApp number. I will give our answers. I will solve your queries. So in this class we discussed about simple program, Visual Basic, creating and handling controls, and I have created a simple program in VB.